Okay, time for some man time. Sports edition. Hey, let me ask you a question. Do you feel vindicated? No, really. When you heard that former NBA players, current NBA players, current coaches, or a current coach, and now possibly a former coach, had the fix in, do you feel vindicated? Do you feel vindicated? You know, when you were sitting around watching games and you were watching guys miss that gap and he didn't hit that hole or he didn't make that block, and you wonder, how did he miss that block? How in the hell did he shoot that shot? How did he fumble or drop or lose the ball when no one was around him? Do you feel, allegedly, vindicated? You know, for years and years and years, we've all sat around and said, hey, man, this shit is fixed. This shit is rigged. Hey, this shit is scripted. And all the players would be like, no. And you could think back to when some of them had smirks on their faces. Do you feel vindicated? Do you feel vindicated at all the times you place bets and side bets on teams and plays and production, and you lost your money? Maybe you won some money. Does it feel good to know that somebody was either working on or against, for or against, towards or from your behalf? Yeah. You should feel vindicated because now you have proven to be psychic, or possibly just aware, or acutely aware. Do you feel vindicated now that there are not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players over the last 5 years, ranging from the NFL to the NBA, who was hit with gambling violations, that now there are 34 more heads, I believe, I'm not sure, allegedly, that are also in on this fiasco, that are also under this investigation, that are also mentioned in these charges, where you were saying the fix is in, this shit is rigged, this shit is scripted. Do you feel vindicated? Because I do. Yeah. They made me look like Brian Flores. We don't even say Nostradamus anymore. We say Brian Flores. Yeah. Anywho, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you too feel vindicated, so that we can see together, so that we could be aware or acutely aware when the shit is rigged and the fix is in or it's scripted. And until next time, man time out.